a secret. You're the reason for this feelings. And anytime you need me, baby, you know how to reach me. 'Cause I ain't going nowhere. Already told ya, baby, when we're older, love's growing bolder. Anywhere the road leads, anywhere we're going, everybody knows that every single moment we are matching sides and we blur the lines. That's hard as we tried, but we couldn't fight it. You know the angels cried out for you and I when we knew it was right. We are flying sides, baby, leaning closer. Let me love you like a soldier, a soldier.
Hi everyone, this is Connie from Connie's Creative Creations. I'm taking part today in the What Would You Make challenge. The hosts are Zana from OK at Home DIY and Marsha from Marsha's Mush and Stuff. And their guest host is Sandy from Sandy Lumbermill. In this challenge, you're to make everything with wood. So let's get started. Alright, I went out to my garage and I just cut these little houses, and I'm just going to sand them and use antique wax on them, Waverly antique wax, and then I'm going to use just black apple barrel paint and make little windows. So this was a very little simple project, and right now I'm using my little ladybug vacuum. You can get that on Amazon, and I have my link tree in the description box, and on there is the link for it so you can purchase it. Now I wanted to let you know down in the description box is going to be the link to Zana and Marsha's and Sandy's channel, as well as the playlist and some other of places, you know, different, like my ladybug and different things that I use. So here I am just doing the antique wax, and you just paint it on and then you rub it right back off. And here I'm just painting the windows and the doors with just the black. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's just a little simple project. I needed some fillers on my display table, so this is what they are. Hope you like these. Let's get to the next one. Now I had gone out to my garage. Now I had hooked the bottom two pieces there together with wood glue, and I got them all nice and trimmed up on my table saw, and I'm just cutting or sanding these. I got these all cut to these everything else was cut on my miter saw, and I just got it all nice and cut. And then I'm going to start putting these together, and I grabbed my drill, and I ended up drilling these together by using 1.5 inch screws, no, 2-inch screws, and then I end up using a pilot hole that keeps the wood from splitting, and I still had a little bit of a split, but it was okay. It was on the underside, you couldn't see it. So I'm gonna let you watch how I put this together. Okay, as you can see, this is going to be a stand. It's actually going to be a cookbook stand. So I'm just painting it a light gray to go with my kitchen. I'm using my Darcy heat gun to dry it, and this is what it ends up looking like. And you'll see another picture of it at the end. So let's get to the next project. Okay, these all came from Dollar Tree. Well, the little boxes came from Dollar Tree, and then I got 2 of the large paint sticks from Home Depot. They come in a pack of 3 for $1 or 98 cents. So I'm just taking off the stickers, and I'm going to I lost some of my footage, so you won't see me actually putting them together, but you'll see my process. And then afterwards, I'm going to paint them white. And this is going to be this in my bedroom on my makeup table, and you'll be able to see how it looks at the end. So I am just getting it all painted. Now, when I hooked this together, I used wood glue, hot glue, and then I used my staple gun just to make sure that it was completely adhered. And I probably should have painted the insides of these white before, because it was not very easy to do. But as I flip this over, you'll be able to see right there the staples that I put in it. So this thing isn't going anywhere. And you'll see what I end up putting on it. And now it is kind of pulling away from the wall at the top a little bit. And I'm just going to put a hook on it and hook it to the wall. That way it won't pull away with the weight. I hope you guys really enjoyed this project. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give me a big old thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. If you hit it twice, you'll get notified. If you hit click all, you'll get notified every time I put up a video. Also, don't forget to check out the description box. Have a blessed day, and don't forget to be the Bible that somebody reads today. Bye.